Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to review, or at least take a look at, the DJI OM, which is this thing here, full light phone clip. So let me explain what this is first. So if you have one of these gimbals here from DJI, the really cool thing is, and I better turn off the camera here, or the gimbal, is if you want to mount your phone onto the gimbal, you just put this clamp that comes with it on here, and it magnetically hooks up, and then when you turn on the gimbal, it's all set up and ready to go. Now, it's great for, if I'm filming out this direction or whatever else, but what if I want to do a selfie, or I want to look at me and have it film me, but the lighting isn't really good? Well, the neat thing is I can come in here now instead and use this other phone clamp, phone clamp, with a light in it. All right, let's take a look at what it is. So very simple. Let me see, it's another clamp. So it'll clamp onto the phone. But the nice thing about this one is it's got lights on it. So if you press the button in the back, so there's here, this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like behind. And you press the button, the light goes on. Press it again, it gets brighter. Press it again, it gets real bright. Press again, it goes off. So it's got a nice little soft pad on here, and it's got the nice soft pad for hooking onto your phone. So then all you have to do, and we'll turn off the gimbal, is take off this clamp. And look at you can see the difference here. And we'll put the other one on. Now this one here also has a little indicator. You won't, it's hard to see it, but there's a little indicator on there that says which way the clamp needs to go on relative to your cameras. So I'm going to put this on, and we'll probably have to adjust this because this clamp is heavier. All right, so we'll put this on here, slide it up a little bit, but see now it's hooked on, and it's the same magnetic mount. So I come in here, hook it on magnetically, it's on really secure. I'll turn on the gimbal. And there we go. So now I have a clamp, just like the other one was. So I can kind of do my thing. But if I want to light me, if I want to do this, take a picture of me, I can just come in here. And in the back, remember there's a little button. I just press the button. Let's see if I can hold this for here. And on comes the light. So now, if I'm doing a selfie of myself, right, if I'm doing some sort of vlog or whatever, I have the light on my face so you can see how nice it looks. Matter of fact, let's turn off the studio lights. And let's see how well it works. All right, so let's see what it looks like to take a selfie. So I've got the gimbal turned on. It's facing me. I'm recording myself. And if I press the button here for light, you see I get a little more light on me. Even brighter. And even brighter. So now you see, even though it's dark in this room, or mostly dark in this room, I get good lighting on my face and on my body with this light. And that's it. Very simple, easy to use. Mounts on the same thing. As a matter of fact, the gimbal comes with a bag. It actually fits in the bag with everything else. So I could take everything with me wherever I go. That's it. That's the DJI full light phone clamp. Thank you.